Hi, welcome to Cost Management Techniques in Construction Projects using I2 Costex. This is a session by Infinity PMC Solutions Private Limited. Our vision is to consistently build a reputation for being the most unique project and program management solution provider. Our mission is to service our client with clear goals and positive attitudes. We have a combined experience of over 20 years in the construction industry with training for 100 plus batches for corporates and institutions. We have handled 100 plus construction projects in EPC, infrastructure, and construction sector. So we are the authorized Indian partner for Oracle Primavera, P6, RIB I2 Costex, F&D Power Project. So our solutions and services include planning and scheduling services with Oracle Primavera, Schedule Reader, and TurboChart, estimation and 5D BIM solution and services using RIB I2 Costex, risk management services using Palisade at Risk Power Project and Oracle Risk Project, 4D BIM solution and services using Elocosoft Power Project, which provides integration between BIM model and project schedule. Our services include product and project implementation, support, technical and functional supports for projects and products. So today's session is about 5D BIM. 5D BIM is nothing but linking our project costing to our 3D model. That is what 5D BIM. BIM is building information modeling. So I2 Costex is a 5D BIM estimating solution. It is a product of RIB. We can call Costex as an integrated tool because in Costex we can use our 2D drawing, 3D model, we can take quantity from Costex, we can include our material rate, labor rate and machineries rate in Costex, we can do our complete project estimate. Key features of Costex are 2D measurement, BIM takeoff, auto revisioning, estimating workbooks and report writer. First, about quantity takeoff from 2D. So when we use a 2D drawing, Costex supports files like AutoCAD, PDF, image files, and hand-drawn sketches. So where we can do our faster on-screen takeoff from a 2D drawing. Faster on-screen takeoff is, so when we are working with the conventional method of AutoCAD and Excel, so we'll measure the length or area from AutoCAD and we have to manually enter in the Excel sheet. But here we have a drawing, we'll upload the drawing and we'll directly measure the area or click on the line of the wall, it gives you the length of the wall, and based on the formula, a predefined formula entry, it gives you the calculation, quantity calculations. 3D or BIM takeoff. So Costex also supports quantity takeoff estimation from 3D or BIM models. So Costex supports models from Revit, ArchiCAD, Tekla, SketchUp, and Navisworks. So we can extract our quantities automatically from the 3D model using Costex. So once our quantity takeoff is done, we can do our rate analysis. Rate analysis is nothing but calculating the unit rate. Say if you are going to do a shuttering work, shuttering includes material charges, labor charges. So how much material and how many number of labor you require for doing 1 square meter of shuttering. That is what the unit rate analysis. So that rate analysis can be performed inside Costex. So here for performing a rate analysis also, you can save your present market rate inside Costex. So once your rate analysis is completed, you can build your estimate. So the estimate is again linked with the 2D drawing or with the 3D model, which is called as a live link feature, which is a unique feature not available with the conventional method of working with AutoCAD and Excel. So what is that unique feature of live linking? Say here you have a quantity in the column, estimate column. So this quantity will be live linked with your 2D drawing or with the 3D model. Say suppose you forgot or you forgot to take quantity from the drawing, forgot to take quantity for an area or for a wall, you can take that in the drawing where your estimate will get updated automatically. The same way rate. Say presently it is 3,750 rupees. Say 2 months later, if this rate is getting updated to 4,000 rupees, Your estimate will also get updated automatically to 4,000 rupees. Auto revisioning. Auto revisioning is nothing but when you get a design change will happen both in 2D design and in the 3D model also. So when you get 2D design changes or 3D model updates, you can compare two different drawings or two different models to know what are the changes that has happened in your project drawing or in the project model. So here you can see elements which are indicated in green and which are indicated in red and brown. So green elements indicate these elements are newly added in the updated model. Red elements indicate these elements are deleted in the new model, and the brown elements indicate those are the elements which remain same in both the model. So with which you can update your quantities, whatever you have taken till now easily, and you can prepare a comparison report also. Say what is the previous quantity and what is the present quantity and what is the variance quantity. So final is a report generation. So in Costex, we have an integrated report writer, which helps us to produce professional reports. So we can create our own customized report, which includes tabular format report and graphical reports also. Universities where Costex is being used and included in the students' curriculum across Asia. So there are multiple universities across Asia which has included Costex in students' curriculum. But in India, one of the well-known RICS, Amity University, which is located in Noida and Mumbai. So Costex has been included for the student and it is being taught along with their estimation paper. So corporates where Costex is being used. So there are multiple companies like WT Partnership, ST Corp, Turner and Townsend, Mace, Bleeds, Acom. They are some of the MNC companies where they use Costex for the Indian projects and also for the overseas projects. Some of the well-known Indian companies like K. Raheja, Intech Infra, QTS, Quantum Realty, they also use Costex for their Indian companies. So some of the MNCs, when they take projects from abroad or when they take overseas projects, so the overseas company or the client insists the Indian companies to use Costex mandatory for their estimation work. So in that way, Costex is very helpful for Indian companies to save their time in cost estimation. Costex in some of the real-time projects in India. One of the well-known company ST Corp, which is located in Mumbai. So one of the projects, Sarova project, which is a high-rise residential commercial project. For constructing this project, estimation work has been carried out with Costex. And one of the infrastructure company, GMR, they have used Costex for the Hyderabad International Airport project. Commerce Zone. Commerce Zone project is a project which is located in Chennai. So this is built by K. Raheja. So where estimation is done using Costex for this project. So we Infinity PMC Solutions are doing online training with live virtual classes for MS Project, Oracle Primavera P6, Oracle Primavera P6 EPPM Advanced, RIB I2 Costex Estimation Software, Elocosoft Power Project, which is a BIM planning and scheduling software. We also do online internship programs on the topics project management internship with MS Project, project management internship with Primavera P6, project management internship with 4D BIM in Power Project BIM, cost estimation internship for 2D, it Costex 2D, cost estimation with 5D BIM internship in Costex, and we are also doing a essentials of BIM internship where you will get theoretical explanations what is BIM and how is BIM used in construction projects. So our online internship for concepts with duration has been mentioned here. So our internship programs for all the programs include 30 days training and internship projects. Highlights and benefits of our internship program. So you will be industry exposure, you'll get industry exposure. You can interact live with experts. You will be trained by industry experts. You will also get to work for some real-time case studies, and you will be guided for internship or project report creation. Some of the benefits are you will get software, the corresponding software for training and the practice purpose. You will get a course completion certificate. You will receive internship experience letter. You will also get external project guidance and support for 3 to 6 months, where you will have a weekly or monthly review. So thank you. Once again, we are Infinity PMC Solutions Private Limited. You can reach us at info@ipmcs.in. For more training related information, you can reach to the above mail IDs or you can contact the above phone numbers. Thank you. Thanks for your time.